working on, well, first off, I'm Brian Craus here.
How's it going, eh?
And what we are working on right now 6148, but this car we're in right now is 6205, which is the canoe car from Sudbury. And since this end does not have a engine under it anymore, we're borrowing cards from this end because 6148's engine control panel, the cards up in here are giving us some funny stuff. We can't get engine control. So we're into changing cards out. So the we've already changed this one, and we're in the midst of removing this card here. So we're labeling everything like this, and we're labeling it, and then we can put cards back in this one for a spare controller. So our next step is to change the CPU, which is this guy here, with the one in 6148, and we'll get to that. It's this has been a long haul to do this, so let's get to it. All right, so this is suspect. This one here, this is the CPU for this engine controller on this end of the car. So this one here is actually labeled 6148. So they're the same modules. So this one here came out of 6205, but it's actually from 6215's B end at some point. So let's see how this one works. Obviously, at some point in the past, 6215 had a problem with its CPU. So this should snap in there like that, which is nice. And let's go turn the power on, see if it works. Okay, so we're still in the A end of 6148, and we're at the engine controller here, and I think we got it. So let's fire it up. We should have a whole bunch of clicking, and that's a good thing. And what we're really looking for is number 17 right here, this light. That's the fuel solenoid. That means there's power going to it, which is a good thing. So what we did find on this, after we did all the schematics, we found that the emergency fuel shutoff switch was broken, internally broken. So after checking that out, we were able to get another one, and that should solve all the issues. So now we're going to go down, and we're going to test the engine, and for a first startup of this engine. So first startup of this engine, 6148, Brian Craus, and Matt Schilling is behind the camera there.
Hello.
And let's see what this thing can do, since it's been a long time to get this power to here to try this. All right, you ready? Thank you.
would drop it out now. You can't go back into gear until you stop though.
Fully stop and then go back, yeah? That's what both hands are here, so I don't do that.